Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Little project I've been working on the side is designing and developing grips for radios. And the two that I have drafted up right now that I have listed on my Etsy site are for the X9 Lite and the X9D series of radios. And if you've never seen what these are, it's it's nothing more than skateboard tape that I've designed and laser cut, and it applies to your radio, and it gives you just a ton of extra security and grip in your hand. If you're like me and you don't like running a lanyard, you just want that extra, I don't know, that extra holding power in your hand. And if you've never tried a radio with these grips on there, you really owe it yourself. It's a really nice feel, especially if it's hot and you're sweaty. It's just, I don't know, it gives you that nice tactile feel, and you just kind of know where the radio's at all the time. I really didn't think I was going to like these as much as I do, but after I've used them, I have to have these on my radio. They just feel so great. The X9 Lite has them in pretty strategic positions. I kind of modeled them for either doing thumbing, or if you're a pincher, I've even got them placed just so that you kind of still get a real good feel. As I put some up here. Yeah, I mean, it's a neat little idea that I came up with. I saw that somebody makes them for the Taranis, but they're kind of always out of stock. So I went ahead and didn't see anything for the X9 Lite, so here we are. I got these on my Etsy store. Check that out. Here's for the X9D. Also on the side, I've been rehabbing X9Ds. This is painted with Duracoat. If you don't know what Duracoat is, it's a firearms coating that it's super abrasion resistant and it wears really well. But anyways, another set of laser cut grips for the radio. It allows you to still take the two halves apart. Same thing with the X9D or the X9 Lite. Got them in strategic locations that you would be at if you were either pinching or thumbing. And then just for grins, I got them here on the pots and the sliders. No real reason for those other than, well, it was just going to be wasted material, and it's literally another 2 seconds of cutting to get those on there. I have them in both black and in this blue, I don't know, tiger stripe type pattern. And like I said, all I have them for is the X9D and the X9 Lite. If you have a radio and you want laser grips cut, hit me up, tweetfpv@gmail.com. We can work something out. You get me a template, and I'll get you a set of grips. If you're the first person, heck, I might even give them to you for free. But anyways, I'm not charging a whole lot for these. I think I'm charging like $7 on Etsy, including shipping. They're just going to come in a plain envelope. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's anything you would like to see, or if you have a radio that you would like grips for. Like I said, hit me up. We can talk. Pretty open to new ideas. And if you find a grip tape, like I was looking around and some of the skateboard grip tapes are really neat, real cool patterns, let me know. We could work something out. I'm always up for new ideas. All right, guys, that's a quick, short little update. Just wanted to kind of show some of the new things I got going on the side to try to subsidize this habit I have of FPV drones. All right, thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe, and I will see you next time. Get a grip. Bye.